Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a section in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com website, and to add a section to your website in Squarespace, first log in to your account, then fill in your email address and password and hit login again. On this page, click on this website button below your desired website. Now click on pages. In order to locate the page you want to add a section on. Let's say, for example, we want to work on this about page. Click on it just like that. Then click on this edit button from the top. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now you are in the editing mode, and to add a section, simply hover your mouse between two sections and this blue add section button appears. Click on it and then select between adding a blank section or a saved section if you have it, or between pre-built sections like intros, contact section and about section. Let's go over all of the pre-built section: testimonials, quotes, scheduling, donations, digital products, image, videos, forms, and chat. Let's add a donation section, for example. Now select your section template, for example. Click on this one. Don't forget to save your work from here. And this is how to add a section in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.